Well, it's morning and we're here at Paul's and things are starting to happen. First thing that's got to happen is moving a forge.
One of those in the bucket. I went, oh, no! Yeah. Well, and then well, look! 150, 159, and 15, 159, and 15.
Paul has an English-style side blast forge with a water-cooled tweer we're going to use for this weekend. Well, that's just a quick look around the shop, a little bit of what the shop where we're having the conference is here at Paul's in Murray, Utah. And we're ready for a demo tomorrow. The last thing to do is going to be build some bleachers. I think that might happen tomorrow morning when there's actually people here to help build them. But other than that, we're off and running. Now, I know you'd like to see the demo on video, but I don't think that's going to happen. I don't have time to take away from the demo to video it myself, and I don't think it's fair asking somebody who is paid to come to a conference like this to take away from their conference to be my videographer. So unfortunately we're not going to actually see that, so mostly it's just a shop tour and a little bit of getting to know what's going on around here, and then we will be back with blacksmithing videos in my shop at Black Bear Forge next week. Be sure to make time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but do stay safe. Do wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.